Comfort and safety are key when starting on two wheels. The best beginner motorcycle gear combines protection with style, ensuring new riders feel secure. Watch the full video to get to know what gear you need for a safe and enjoyable ride. O'Neill 2 SRS SPYDE Helmet. This helmet comes in a striking black and neon yellow combination, weighing just 3.23 pounds. It's compatible with various vehicles, including ATVs, off-road bikes, UTVs, street touring motorcycles, and snowmobiles. Constructed from polyester, it includes a spare visor, making it a practical addition to any gear bag. The interior features a plush, removable, and washable padded liner for comfort and hygiene. Equipped with multiple air vents, it ensures proper ventilation and cooling during rides. Meeting DOT FMVSS 218 and ECE 22.05 safety standards, this helmet offers reliable protection and comfort for various riding experiences. BORLENI Motorcycle Jacket. An all-season jacket made from high-performance, windproof polyester keeps riders warm in winter and cool in summer thanks to its breathable elastic mesh lining. For enhanced protection, this jacket features CE-certified armor, including level 2 protectors on the shoulders and elbows, and a removable EVA protector on the back. A detachable hood ensures mobility and comfort, with a Velcro option to secure the hood, preventing it from flapping during rides. The design includes 4 external pockets with zippers for secure storage of personal items. This versatile jacket is suitable for any season. Attach the thick liner for warmth in cold weather, or remove it to stay cool in the heat. Designed with safety, convenience, and flexibility in mind, this jacket is ideal for various riding conditions. ALPINESTARS Sequence Chest Protector. An innovative chest protector crafted with lightweight foam offers exceptional comfort and security for riders. Weighing just 1.6 ounces, it ensures protection without compromising mobility. Designed by a leading brand known for redefining motorcycle safety, this protector reflects a commitment to quality and advanced technology. It's part of a collection renowned for developing high-performance racing gear, including motorcycling airbag systems and specialized apparel. This chest protector represents cutting-edge equipment, providing reliable defense during intense activities. Suitable for various racing environments, it combines the best materials and design principles to enhance the overall safety of motorcyclists, especially new ones, maintaining the high standards expected from a globally recognized leader in protective gear. COFIT Motorcycle Gloves. Ideal for various activities, these gloves are versatile and suitable for road racing, cycling, motocross, climbing, and skating. They feature touchscreen fingertips with conductive metal fibers on the index finger and thumb, allowing easy use of all touchscreen devices. Designed for full protection, the gloves have reinforced knuckles and palm padding to safeguard hands during high-speed activities. The palm area is equipped with wear-resistant silicone gel, enhancing grip on handlebars and boosting safety. Made from breathable polyester, these gloves are suitable for all seasons, with air vents ensuring optimal airflow. They offer comfort and protection in temperatures ranging from 50° Fahrenheit to 95° Fahrenheit. These features make them a practical choice for both men and women looking for reliable hand protection and control. Fly Racing MAVERIK Boot. These off-road boots offer excellent flexibility and support, featuring an articulated rear ankle for easy break-in. Designed for safety, they are CE approved and include both inner and outer ankle protection, along with shin guards to shield against impacts. The construction boasts an elastic gaiter, adjustable quick-lock buckles, and 3D molded shin and shift protection. A rubber heat shield protects against heat from the engine and exhaust, while providing a solid grip for better control of the motorcycle or ATV. The innovative one-piece plastic-injected midsole and molded rubber outsole enhance durability and offer a secure grip. Built for performance and inspired by racing, these boots are suitable for riders of all skill levels, making them a reliable choice for various off-road adventures. CTBQITOM motorcycle pants. Inspired by cycling needs, these motorcycle pants feature durable YKK zippers, double plackets, and dual buttons. Elastic panels at the knees and waist enhance flexibility and comfort. Made from 97% cotton and 3% spandex, the fabric provides a telescopic function for ergonomic use. Level 2 CE armor is included for knee and hip protection, which can be removed for everyday wear. The jeans offer a straight slim fit and come with 6 pockets, blending style and functionality for various activities. Sizing may vary by brand, so checking the size chart is recommended, especially if you're between sizes. These pants are machine washable for easy care. VIATERRA Motorcycle Riding Helmet Bag. A flexible helmet bag for motorcyclists features a soft plush interior with fleece lining to prevent scratches. It accommodates full face and adventure helmets and even allows space for attached Bluetooth communication devices. Suitable for airline travel, the sleek design seamlessly blends with other baggage. A quick access zipper pocket at the bottom provides additional storage space for gloves, a balaclava, a wallet, or other small items. The bag can be easily carried using either the handle or the attachable backpack straps. With a wide top opening, packing and accessing the helmet is convenient. Long zipper pullers ensure easy operation even when wearing gloves, making this bag a practical choice for riders seeking both protection and functionality. SUNPIE Motorcycle Kickstand Pad. In use for street and off-road motorcycles, this kickstand pad prevents bikes from tipping over on surfaces like asphalt, dirt, sand, or grass. By providing a larger contact area, it stops the kickstand from sinking into soft ground. Made from durable hard ABS, it fits a variety of motorcycles, including models from Road King, Electroglide Ultra Classic, Victory, and Honda. This universal pad helps ensure stability by keeping the kickstand foot securely in place. Designed for convenience, it includes a hole to attach a string or floss, preventing accidental loss. Lightweight yet sturdy, it makes a thoughtful gift for motorcycle enthusiasts, offering a simple yet effective solution to protect bikes and enhance parking safety. BORLENI Motorcycle Riding Shoes. For riders seeking both style and protection, these street-style motorcycle shoes feature a combination of leather and breathable fabric, ensuring comfort and durability. They come with 2 sets of laces, allowing customization to match other riding gear. Safety is prioritized with PP protective shells around the ankle and heel, offering flexibility and protection in key areas, while reflective inserts boost visibility. An extra thick toe cap with microfiber reinforcement provides gear shift protection, making these shoes wear resistant. The rubber soles are designed to be anti-slip, enhancing stability and durability. A convenient side zipper design allows for quick and easy on and off, eliminating the need to frequently tie laces. These shoes offer a secure and comfortable fit, making them a reliable choice for motorcycle riders seeking safety and style. ILM Motorcycle Full Face Helmet. This helmet is designed with a high-resistance ABS shell and features a micrometrically adjustable strap for a secure fit. It meets or exceeds FMVSS 218 and DOT safety standards, ensuring reliable protection. The lightweight and sleek construction helps to minimize wind noise, making it more comfortable for long rides. The modular flip-up design includes an anti-scratch and anti-fog visor, offering a clear and wide view. The helmet is also equipped with a dual visor system, providing added versatility. The interior liner and cheek pads are soft, lightweight, and can be easily removed for washing. Its quick-release system enhances convenience, while its speaker-friendly design allows for easy integration of communication devices. Suitable for adult riders, it combines safety and comfort effectively. That's all for this video.